Hi guys, it's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before anything else, mag-shoutout muna tayo. And yung mga maswerteng sa shoutout natin ngayon ay sina Lian Balmaceda, Iani Perlargo, Jane Candelario, John Ron Dueñas, Ai Di Castro, Ken Oresco, Ranzel John Pornelos, 30 Tapawan, Jean B. Reynoso, Deborah Baldovino, Heaven Maestre, Madeline Prado, Ray Rubio, and lastly, shout out kay Syra Santos. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, and if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So, a lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a tutorial of this song, so wag na natin patagalin yung intro. Grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Love Someone by Lukas Graham. So, for today's video, I'm using my ukulele from Hurricane. So, if you want to purchase Hurricane ukuleles, you can drop a message on my Facebook page. And also, don't forget the link on the description box. Andun yung PDF file, printable sheet, andun yung lahat ng tutorial notes ko na kailangan nyo after watching this video. There are days I wake up and I pinch myself. You're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm so scared. So in order to play Love Someone by Lukas Graham, you need to learn 6 basic chords. So for the first chord, we have the chord of C. Ayan, so you just have to put your middle finger here on the first string, 3rd fret. And then the next chord that we have is the chord of E minor. And it looks like this. Ayan. So, index, middle, 4th finger. So, from C, tapos E minor. Ayan. Tapos, after that one, you should also learn the chord of A minor. Ayan. So, ilalagay mo lang yung index finger mo dito sa 4th string sa 2nd fret. Ayan. Okay? Tapos, another chord that you should learn is the chord of F. Ayan. So, index dito sa 2nd string sa 1st fret. Tapos, yung middle finger mo, lalagay mo siya dito sa yung nilagyan mo kanina sa A minor. Pero yung gagamitin mo is the middle finger na. Ayan. So, eto kanina yung A minor, yung F is ganyan. And then, the next chord is the chord of G. Ayan. So, para siyang V-shaped na chord. So, index, middle, and your 4th finger should be placed here sa gitna ng dalawa, pero dito siya sa 3rd fret. Ayan. And then, the last chord that you should learn is the chord of D minor. It should look like this. Ayan. So, index, middle, 4th finger. Ayan. So, again, C, E minor, A minor, F, G, and lastly, we have the chord of D minor. So let's move on to the first part of this tutorial, which is learning the plucking sa verse 1. So papakita ko muna siya sa inyo, and then let's break down the things that you should learn afterwards. Ayan, so maging ganun yung pagkatugtog natin sa verses of the song. Verse 1 and verse 2, maging ganun siya. So, first thing that you have to do is you have to put your finger here. Ayan, position mo yung first chord natin dyan. And that is the chord of C. So, yung gagawin mo lang is you have to pluck the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string using your thumb. And then, for the first string, you have to use your index finger. Okay? Tapos, after mo na-pluck to, parang ililift mo yung kamay mo, and then, bagsak mo. Ganon. Ganon. Okay? Repeat. Ganon. Okay? So, that is what we call tapping. Ganon. Parang tapping or dropping of your hand. Ganon. Okay? Tapos, after mo nagawa yun, yan. So, after that one, after the tapping of your hand, you have to pull the strings just like this. So, dito na side, you have to use your thumb, and then this one, your index finger, parang isa-strum niya upward, lahat ng strings. Ganon. Okay? So, again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos, tap. Tapos, hilain mo siya. Ganon. Tapos, after na naman nun, tapos, tap. Tapos, transfer chord. Same thing with the E minor. Ayan. So, yun lang yung gagawin natin sa verse 1 and verse 2. So, let's try to sing the verse 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. There are days I wake up and I pinch myself. You're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm so scared that it's all a dream. So, for the plucking of the pre-chorus, magiging more or less the same lang talaga siya sa ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1 and verse 2. Ganon, yung sa verses of the song. And then, yung chord progression natin dyan is F, G, A minor, and then we have to repeat that chord progression 3 times. Then, after that one, we have E minor, F, and G. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung plucking ng pre-chorus. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. Ayan. So, yun lang yung gagawin natin sa pre-chorus. So, what we're going to do here is that pakinggan to siya. Ganun pa rin. Yung 4, 3, 2, 1, tapos, after plucking the first string, parang, tapos, drop your hand. You still look perfect as days go by. Ito lang yung parang difference verse 1 and sa pre-chorus. Kasi, in this part, yung sa G and A minor, may ganito siya. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Ayan. So, for the G, we have to do the same thing. Tapos, after that one, tap. Tapos, transfer sa A minor. Tapos, pluck mo yung 4 and 2 na string. Okay? So, maging ganito siya ulit. 'Cause you still look perfect as days. Ayan. Days go by. Tapos, balik ka naman sa even the worst ones, you make us cry. Smile pala, hindi cry. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. Sa E minor, F, and G, ganito siya. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1, tap. Tapos, pluck 4. Tapos, G. So, sa 4 and 2 na string. And then, sa G is the first string. Pero, parang i-include mo rin itong nasa taas niya. Tapos, this one. Okay? So, F, G. F, G. Okay? So, again. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. So, after the pre-chorus is the chorus, and this is the part where the strumming begins. So, yung strumming pattern natin is down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, maging ganito siya. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you para akong lasing. Yung chorus natin na strumming pattern is down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, maging gato siya. So, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down. So, magiging ganun lang yung flow ng strumming pattern natin. Okay, so slowly, position mo yung first chord natin dyan, F, down, up, chuck. By the way, yung chucking is you just have to block the strings using this part of your palm. And then you have to use all of your nails here and then isa-strum mo. And makaka-produce ka ng gantong sound. And this is what you call chucking. Okay? Or yung X sa visual aid ko dyan, somewhere. Okay? So, down, up, chuck. Tapos, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, sa down, up, down, up, down, up, nandito ka na sa chord of G. So, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, and then transfer to the chord of C, or the same thing, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up. So, sa down, up, down, up, dapat nasa A minor ka na. Okay, so from the top, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, and then balik ka na naman, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, mali, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, up, down, down. Ayan, so maging ganun lang yung verse 2 natin. So, let's try to sing the... No, chorus pala. Ba't verse 2 yung sinabi ko? So, again, repeat the chorus. 1, 2, 3, go. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone, and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never love someone like I do. You probably never love someone like I do. Ooh. Tapos after that one, you have to jump to the next part, which is the verse 2 with the same thing. Yung pag ganon-ganon natin. When you say you love the way I make you feel, everything becomes so real. Don't be scared, no, don't be scared, 'cause you're all I need. Then after that one, repeat the pre-chorus na naman. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones will make you smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. Ayan. 'Cause when you love... So, after the chorus is the bridge na part. So, yung mga chords lang natin dito is D minor, G, C, A minor, tapos balik ka sa D minor, G, A minor, and D minor. Ayan. Tapos yung strumming pattern natin dyan is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ayan yung strumming pattern natin. And then after that one, lipat ka naman with the same strumming pattern. Ayan. A minor, D minor, G. Tapos the last line ng bridge, yung 'cause you gave me something to lose, we have two chords in that part, A minor and D minor, and then we just have to strum once per chord using your thumb. So, A minor, and then D minor. Ayan. Okay? So, again, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then transfer. Ayan. So, yun lang yung gagawin natin sa bridge. So, let's try to sing the bridge. 1, 2, 3, go. All my life, I thought it'd be hard to find no one till I found you, and I find it bittersweet, 'cause you gave me something to lose. 'Cause when you love someone, ayan, so yun lang yung gagawin natin sa bridge. And then after that one, repeat ka naman sa chorus. You can either pluck the chorus with the same thing sa ginawa natin sa bridge, sa verses and sa pre-chorus, or you can use the strumming pattern na, when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. Ayan, so yun lang yung gagawin natin for the bridge, chorus, verses of the song, and the pre-chorus. So, yeah. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe. Bye!